Hi everybody, good morning. So today I wanted to do a studio vlog. As you can see right now, the sewing studio is a complete mess and I really need to clean up and get organized. Reason why this trash bag is here is because I don't know if you guys remember, but I wanted to do a Filipiniana Cinderella inspired wedding gown dress last year. The reason why I didn't complete it is because the skirt, I was just like having such a terrible time. It stressed me out so much. It's taking so long and I'm running into like so many problems with the dress. Show you, but doesn't it look cute? It just looks so beautiful and I do want to finish it, but hopefully we can get it done and that would be so nice. I'm getting sidetracked. Let's get going. Let's get cleaning.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But
it's okay. I'm okay. I'm alive. Hey, don't worry guys, I am fine. That didn't hurt at all. I do need to invest on a sturdier clothing rack because this is getting wonky and it's a little bit dangerous. See how like uneven that is. It's not even straight anymore because I think it's too heavy, but I really need like space for my clothes, so I might invest on a new clothing rack very soon. But don't worry, I am fine. This area is definitely what I need to work on most, and there's a lot going on up there. I have a lot of storage bins right underneath, so I'm gonna have to put a designated place for it, and I don't know where to put it because I really do need like the space sometimes to put the tripod on when I'm filming, so I'm gonna figure out what to do with these. But for the meantime, I'm gonna work on all those things on the table and then all the extra fabric that I have over there. Hi everybody. We are finally finished cleaning. So this is kind of like an overview. It might be shaky, but I ended up putting my drawer over here and I added this fake orchids because I cannot take care of plants for the life of me. And I also added curtains, and I ended up putting the bins right over here because this made the most sense. If I had put it over here, it's not gonna look as great, and I really want this to be like an open space. So I just pushed everything on this side, and it's kind of cute. I might put like a cover up though, because just looking at these, I don't know, it doesn't look that great. And I also have this little section table over here for my notebooks and my books, my fashion books. The mirror looks good. I put my clock over here because I don't really have any like stand to put it there, so I just transferred it over there. It's looking really good, and if you're wondering where my table is, it's actually outside my room. This doesn't happen often. I don't clean this much just because I have like so many things going on and so many things to work on. I actually have not uploaded in a very long time, and I'm so bad at uploading. My uploading schedule is just when I have bursts of energy to upload, and that's not very good. I set like a specific date and I never end up following through with the date that I set for myself, which is, yeah, not good. But I just wanted to talk about, I guess, like what I've been up to and where I've been. Oh, someone's calling me. Who is this? I'm actually working on a dress. It's like a simplicity dress pattern that I bought from my local fabric store. It's really cute. I'm using it for church, and I'm probably gonna put it on the next vlog that I'm gonna do. Since I already filmed like a little bit of it. I'm still working on the aerial dress, which I've like done the first step. But the steps after that, I kind of haven't done. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm like this. Yeah, but it's coming. The episode is coming. Don't worry. I don't know when I'm gonna upload it because I still have to edit it. See, I'm trying to drape like a shrug or like a bolero for another event, much like I want to do, but I don't know where to start. It's like when you have so many things you want to do, but you get so overwhelmed and you don't know where to start. That's basically me right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I still don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and do a little bit of a quick chit chat. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next vlog. Bye!